Hello, dear children. Today we are going to cover the concept of exercise 11.4 from question number 1 to 7, in which we have two concepts. One is to find the area of a four-sided path, margin, or anything which is on the four side of a figure like rectangle and square. And then we will learn the concept of the crossroads between any of the figure or any of the square or rectangle. Any crossroads between means one parallel to the width and another road parallel to the length. So it can be at any point. Like if I have a rectangle here, the crossroads can be here also. If I have a rectangle in this shape, the crossroads can be like this also, means one here and one here. If I have a square, then also the crossroads can be like this also. Then this will be the length, breadth will be the same because it is a square. So it's concept of crossroads, not only between the center but at any point in the figure. Exercise 11.4, I'm going to solve here question number 1, question number 3, question number 5 and question number 6. And related questions from question number 1 to 7 you people are going to solve yourself, try yourself. First question is, a garden is 90 meter long and 75 meter broad. So see, I have made the figure the same way. Garden is a 90 meter broad and 90 meter long and 75 meter broad. Path 5 meter is to be built outside around it. Uske bahar. 5 meter here, 5 here, 5 here and 5 here is being built. Find the area of path, also find the area of garden in hectare. Garden is this one only and path is this one, surrounding one. This whole is the path. So now if you know the inner length, then outer will be, the path will be added from both of the sides. It has increased to this side also. It has increased to this side also. So it is 90 plus 5 plus this side 5. 90 plus 5 plus 5, outer length is 100. Similarly, plus 5 and plus 5, outer breadth is 85. And area of path will be outer area minus inner area. Outer area L into B, inner area also L into B because both are rectangles. 100 into 85 minus 90 into 75. 8500 minus 6750 is 1750 meter square area of path. And area of garden is L into B. You know garden is the inside. 90 into 75 this. When you need to convert meter squares into hectare, you will divide by 10,000. Dividing by 10,000 we got 0.675 hectares. Fine. Similar is your third question, but here you have been given the outer rectangle already and you need to go for the inner one. See here, a picture is painted on the cardboard 8 centimeter long and 5 centimeter wide. Suppose this is your cardboard 8 centimeter long, 5 centimeter wide, such that there is a margin of 1 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter along each of its sides. Find the total area of the margin. Cardboard length breadth is given and then we have to left the margin, then the picture will be there. So 1.5 from here, 1.5 here, 1.5 from here and 1.5 from here. So it means total margin is 3 centimeter long width and 3 centimeter along length, 1.5 and 1.5. So 5 minus 3, 2 is the inner breadth, 8 minus 3, 5 is the inner length. Area will be same, outer area minus inner area. Outer is 8 into 5, inner is 5 into 2 because its length is 5 and its breadth is 2. Outer is length is 8 and breadth is 5. So it's 40 minus 10, 30 centimeters square. Question number 5 is about a square. A path 1 meter wide is built along the border and inside a square garden of side 30 meters. Find the area of the path. This is a square garden 30 meter, 1 meter margin here, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here. So total inner breadth or inner side we can say it's 30 minus 1 this, 2 times 1 is there, so it's 28. So inner side is 28, outer side is 38. Area will be 30 into 30 minus 28 into 28, so it's 90 minus 784, 116 meter squares. Now cost of planting grass in the garden. Garden is this one, inner one only. This is the path. So inner one area will multiply area of inner means garden with the cost given as rupees 40. So rupees 40 into 784, it's rupees 31360. Coming to the another concept of crossroads. Let us see the question first. Two crossroads, each of width 10 meter, cut at right angles through the center of a rectangular park of 700 meter and 300 meter. Suppose this is our rectangular park. It has a length 700 meters. It has a breadth 300 meters. There are two roads. I have named it as road 1. I have named it as road 2. और इन roads को मैंने ऐसे separately बाहर बना दिया. Road 1 I have built upon here. Road 2 I have built upon here. Now we know their width is 10. So its width is also 10 and its width is also 10. Now about length. Whatever is the measurement of this one particular whole rectangle will be the length of road. So it is 700 meter. It means length of road will be 700. Similarly for road 2, it is parallel to 300 meter. So it means its length will be 300 meter. Means one road length will be the breadth of rectangle, one road length will be the length of rectangle. और road की width जो है वो already given है 10 meter and 10 meter. So keeping those in mind, we can find area of road 1, we can find area of road 2. But there is a thing that when you find out the area of road 1, you cover this much area. And when you find area of road 2, you cover this much area. Now this portion you are taking twice, this square. And this square is of measurement whatever the width of road is given, 10, 10, 10 and 10. So you need to subtract the area of this square once. आपको इस square का area एक बार minus करना पड़ेगा because you have taken it 2 times. So your area of crossroads formula will be area of road 1 plus area of road 2 minus area of center square. So it's 700 into 10, 300 into 10 minus 10 into 10. 10,000 minus 100, 9,900. And turning into hectares dividing by 10,000, 0.99 hectares. Its next question is find the area of park excluding roads. Give the answer in hectares. So area of park excluding roads. तो full park के area में से ये जितना भी हमारा road का area आया है, we'll subtract it. It's 700 into 300 minus 9,900. 7 3s are 21. So this much area will subtract 9,900. It comes here 200,100 meters squares. Converting into hectares, dividing by 10,000, so it's 20.01 hectares. That's all from my side. Now you are left with question number 2, question number 4 and question number 7. So your people are gonna do it yourself. Thank you.